Hello, good morning or good dawn. My my name is Mommy Terry, and this is my second vlog regarding I am a mother. Please listen to me. So, wala naman ako masyadong like specific information to share you. It's just that I want to introduce myself better, I guess, so that you will understand where my point would all come from, especially in my future vlogs. So I'm Mommy Terry again. I was born in 1969, so you could say that I'm already 55 years old, and there's a great gap with the Generation Z. But I have two daughters. One of them is already 29, turning 29 in September, and the other one turned 13 in February. So meron akong Gen Z na kung titingnan mo kami, ang usual na sinasabi sa akin or tinatanong sa akin is, apo mo? Okay, so because I gave birth at 42. But way back in my generation, which will be my point of comparison with this generation now, I would say strict noon, pero maayos na palaki ang mga bata. So, walang bantay bata noon. So, walang mga yung pagre-reportan ka, you can pwede kang pagalitan, pwede kang paluin, pwede kang ang silihan sa bibig pag nagmura ka. So, minsan napapalo, kadalasan, kasi matigas ang ulo ko, napapalo ako ng walang rason o hindi ko alam ang rason because they won't explain. Basta lang may kasalanan ka, papaluin ka. Okay? Pero, hindi tumigas ang loob namin. Hindi ako natuto na humingi ng saklolo sa barkada. I would take it, yes, I would cry. I often cry. Pero everything was taken lightly nung panahon ko. Kasi nung panahon ko, normal pa yon, which is very unlikely now. Kaya napaka-unruly na ng mga bata ngayon. Noon, natututunan ang paglinis ng bahay, ang paglaba, lahat yan by mere observation or common sense. Okay? I was not entirely taught cooking, so hindi ako magaling magluto. But sa paglilinis ng bahay, maayos ako maglinis, at sa paglalaba, marunong din ako pero tamad. Unlike my daughter now, my Gen Z daughter, I wouldn't say. Siguro nakalagpas na yung panahon na dapat ko siyang tinuruan. And sa school, walang nagagalit noon sa teacher. I don't know, but pag pinagalitan ka ng teacher, it's for your own good nung panahon ko. Wala yung isusuplong kung saan-saan para lang, kampihan yung bata. Usually, kinakampihan na ngayon, bata, hindi na teacher. When, in fact, nasanay kasi kami na ang teacher ang pangalawang magulang ng estudyante. So, we respect them like how we respect our parents before. Okay. And sa love life, kapag masyado kang open sa feelings mo for a guy na hindi pa naman nagko-court sa'yo, malandi ka na nun. Sa pananamit, ay, hindi uso nun ng parang you express yourself, katulad ngayon. Talagang, nung panahon ko, sa probinsya especially, titingnan ka kapag ang itsura mo ay hindi bagay, hindi angkop sa pananamit mo. Kapag masyadong mapanglait talaga, meron talaga nung panahon ko na talagang lalapitan ka na dapat you keep what has to be kept and you show off what has to be shown off. Yun lang yun. So, yun muna. I just gave you an information of how I grew up, what was my generation back then. So, I hope hindi naman ako masyadong mabash kapag nag-compare na ako ng generations, now and before. That's all, and have a wonderful day to you, June 7th, 2024. Bye.